Welcome, and today we will be installing an application from the web on the Mac. So what we're going to do first is we're going to search and find the website that we're going to download it from. For me, it's going to be GIMP, a photo editing software. So we're going to want to choose gimp.org, not any of these other ones like the Chrome Web Store, FlatHub Safe. Softonic is not good. So what we're going to do is we're going to use their official website to download for my computer. We're going to go over to download and download the latest version. So you're going to see current stable version. You're going to see two options, BitTorrent or directly. You shouldn't torrent on your regular internet connection without like a VPN or whatever. So use the direct link and download it from one of their download mirrors. Yeah, this is one of my few takes, so there we go, it's gonna download. And then once I download, you can press this little search button, you'll find it in the folder for you. So what you're gonna do after that is you're gonna run it. And you'll see GIMP and then an arrow to applications. You're gonna wanna take GIMP, you're gonna drag them over into the applications folder. You're going to see copying. You'll hear a little noise to signify that the program has installed. So now what you can do is you can close out the application and eject the disk image. Now what you can do is you can go into your applications and there you go. There's GIMP. You can load it. And it'll ask you if you want to run it since it's from the internet. It'll say it checked for malicious software and none was detected. Let's open it. There we go. We're going to initialize the program and there you go. You can create a new image and there you go. You now can create an image. Bye.